Hello, this video is a full user guide of Proficonf. Proficonf is a platform for video conferencing, meetings, webinars, and live streams. What makes us special? There is no need to install software or mobile applications for the host and participants. The Proficonf works in all popular browsers, even from mobile devices. On our main page, you can find features, pricing, and blog sections. To create a personal account on Proficonf, click the Sign Up button in the upper right corner, enter your name and surname, email, and create a password, at least 6 characters. You can also log in using social networks. Then, you will be redirected to the Meetings page. In the lower left corner, Account Settings section, click this button and you can upload a profile picture, change profile information, first and last name, change email and password, language, link to social networks for authorization, and log out of your account. On the billing section, you can see basic information about your subscriptions, payment history, and payment methods. Also, here you can upgrade your plan to Pro or Premium and purchase add-ons like additional file storage and live streaming and multi-streaming. In the Files section, you can upload, download, and delete any files. Next is the Meetings section, where you can create an instant, scheduled, or permanent meeting. All of the meetings you've created will display in the upcoming if they haven't started yet, past for completed meetings, and permanent for permanent meetings. Click on the Profile button in the upper left corner. In the menu that opens, you can create a workspace, switch between your personal account and workspace, and log out by clicking the Sign Out button. After you create a workspace, you can host meetings and invite workspace members to host any number of events simultaneously and use all available Proficonf features. Also, Workspace allows you to embed Proficonf video conferencing on your website or app and customize the meeting room according to your corporate colors and logo. There are 3 types of virtual meeting rooms in Proficonf. Instant events. They are used when you need to create a conference or hold a quick meeting. Scheduled events. Used for any scheduled meetings, webinars, virtual events. To create a scheduled meeting, press the Schedule button. In the form to create an event, enter the title of the event. If you want to make the room permanent, pull the toggle button to the right. Select the date and time, roles for invited participants, speaker or viewer. To make the event private, activate this option. Also, if you are a premium plan owner or workspace member, you can activate auto start recording and redirection of participants after the event. After activating the Enable Post Redirection page, add a web address in the input field. Click the Create button. The newly created event is displayed in the upcoming section. Permanent rooms. Used for meetings of remote teams and learning. In general, in those cases where the participants are the same, you can create a permanent room in the form of a scheduled event. Press the Start button and you will instantly enter the virtual room. All you need to do is invite participants via an invitation link or by email. To invite participants, click the Invite Participants button. In the menu that opens, copy the link and send it to the participants in any way convenient for you, or click Invite in the Invite by Email section. Enter email addresses and add them to the list, then choose a role for participants: speaker, if you want to hold a meeting, or viewer, if you want to hold a webinar. Click on the Invite button. Notice, if you have a separate document with the list of participants, you can select all the text and copy it into the input box. The software will select only the email addresses. To the left of the Invite Participants button, there is a quality level indicator and timer. On the right, there is a button to start video recording, where you can enable or disable chat recording, enable or disable user thumbnails on the main screen, record only the host. To start recording, click Start Recording. To the right of the Record button is the button to activate live streams on YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, or Restream. Broadcast your events to any of these social networks and connect an unlimited number of viewers to watch. Next is the Display Mode section. Fill the whole area is the mode in which video is stretched to the full width of the use screen without saving of proportions. Fit on the larger side is the mode in which the video is stretched to the full width of the use screen without saving its proportions. Active speaker is the mode in which the active participant is displayed on the main screen. Up to 5 video thumbnails of the most active participants are displayed on the right. The active speaker is the one who is speaking at the moment. Tile grid up to 20 thumbnails from the participants' videos are displayed on the screen. The list is dynamically changed and the most active participants are displayed. Full screen mode, a mode in which a conference room occupies the whole screen. We recommend selecting the active speaker mode for your webinar. For meeting tile grid. Menu settings. In the menu, you can set up such features as camera and microphone, quality configuration, modes of sharing, privacy, or language. The on and off buttons for a microphone, camera, and leave are located on the top in the center. To the left is the button of the meeting access setting. The lock is open, it's an open event. Closed, it's a private meeting, the host's confirmation is required to enter the room. On the left side of the screen, there is the Participants tab where you can look through the list of participants, block or remove participants, change the roles of participants, viewer, speaker, moderator, restrict chat, block users' devices. Below is the meeting room chat. In a chat, you can write text messages, share links and use emojis. To send a message, press enter. Below the chat is a share section where you can demonstrate your screen, program window, or browser tab, use whiteboard, use Miro board, demonstrate YouTube videos that are synchronized with all participants, upload and demonstrate any files and presentations. In the lower left corner, there is a button to write a support team. To finish the event, click the Leave button, check the box to finish the event, and confirm the action. After completion, the event will be displayed in the Past section. You can download a list of participants or delete it. Click on the name of the event for which you want to download the list of participants. In the menu that opens to the right, select the Details section and click on the Download Participants button. Please note, in order for the list of participants to be displayed by email, participants must be invited by email. All virtual rooms can be edited and deleted. Click on the name of the event you want to edit. On the Edit form, select the Settings section and enter the new data. Click the Save button. To delete a meeting, below the Event Edit form, click the Delete Meeting button. On the Confirmation form, click Confirm. Note, you can delete only meetings that you created yourself. If you participated in a meeting hosted by someone else, you will not be able to delete it from the meeting list. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media to see more updates.